What is up YouTube? I'm finally back once again with yet another DIY Tesla Power Update video. Now it's been roughly 5 months since I have uploaded pretty much any Powerwall videos or any electric scooter videos at all. Obviously a lot's happened since then. I've got a lot more batteries. School's obviously the workload's kicked in a lot more than what it used to be in the previous years, and basically as a result I have not been really able to do anything like project-y, like Powerwall related kind of things. So I've basically just been studying, pretty much just been exhausted, having no energy to really do anything that I used to enjoy. So now I've kind of the workload's kind of going down a little bit now. I'm like quite eager to get back into the Powerwall and start getting it going again. You can see I've got some batteries here that I still need to process. These ones here, probably about 50% of them are tested. The other half isn't, but they were tested quite a while ago, so I probably will end up retesting all of those. These will be the higher capacity packs, and these ones here will be the lower, because you can see we've got some of the turquoise Samsung 2 amp hour cells, and then we've got some of the red 2.5s. Then the brown LG 3 amp hours, but I'm gonna obviously sort that out. I need to get more cell holders, some ring terminals or whatever they're called, and just basically miscellaneous stuff like that. I also need to get a new solar charge controller, because as you guys may know, it broke probably 6 months ago or something like that. I haven't had the the funds to get a new one, but recently I've ordered a new one. It's the new version of the Tracer MPPT solar charge controller. It's still a 30 amp unit. I'll put a picture of that on the screen now, so you can see they've done a few aesthetic alterations. They've got blue buttons now with a backlit, have extra features like that. Other than that, nothing's really changed to the Powerwall in terms of wiring. I pretty much, the video that I made was the last thing I did to it, so nothing's actually changed at all. I will be getting a second MPPT solar charge controller eventually in the future, but that's obviously to come when I start gathering some more funds together and stuff. But I think the main priority would be to get these up and going. I really am considering getting a battery and BMS. I know a lot of the Powerwall guys are using those now, and it makes everything a lot safer with all the monitoring and balancing. Right now I've been running without a BMS, and so far I've had no issues, but in the future, if I'm not here or if I'm not constantly monitoring it, I can have a quick glance on the screen and see all the voltage readings and stuff. But other than that, nothing's really changed. I thought I'd give you guys an update anyway. We're at almost 1,700 subscribers. I have basically made no videos and gained 600 subscribers, so I thank you guys for that. Yeah, I just obviously been really busy, and I apologize for that. I definitely have more videos to come with more time on my hands to actually work on this. Obviously the money is holding me back, but a lot of this stuff is free, the cells and stuff, so I don't really need to spend too much more to get these packs up and running. So pretty much it for this update. Next video, I'm hoping to do some more in-depth videos with capacity testing and stuff with those cells, how I arrange the packs so they're all evenly balanced in terms of capacity. But that's pretty much it for now. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe if you do want to see more regular Tesla Power Update videos. And I'll see you guys in the next video.